Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start with the model open and your graphics area active. Once done, press the spacebar to open the View Orientation dialog. You do this because the spacebar is the single, consistent entry for all view commands, no separate menus needed. So, open the dialog, glance at the cube and thumbnails, and prepare to pick a standard view. Make sure to keep your mouse near the cube. You will use both clicks and drag gestures from here. Once the View Orientation dialog is open, click a standard thumbnail like front or isometric to quickly change perspective. You can also drag the view cube to rotate freely. Make sure to hold Control if you want to snap rotations into precise 15-degree increments for controlled alignment. If the model faces away, use Flip View or the Align to Standard option to correct it. You choose these actions because they let you combine fast presets with fine manual control. Finish by saving the orientation. Click Save View, name it, and then assign a shortcut or toolbar button so you can recall it instantly. You do this to avoid repeated adjustments and to standardize view presentation. Once saved, test it, and if the display looks wrong, reset to an isometric view and rebuild graphics. Press Ctrl+Q to force a full rebuild. If the dialog stops responding, check that the heads-up toolbar is enabled, and that spacebar remains mapped to view orientation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.